Okay, people tell me all the time that it's impossible to swallow a bunch of cinnamon at one time. I don't know why I said it like that. I think I had some cantaloupe in my throat still or something like that.
Yeah, she loves her cantaloupe.
I love cantaloupe. Okay, anyways, yeah, so I'm going to swallow a bunch of cinnamon and prove that's not true. Because I think it's probably not true. I'm gonna eat that much cinnamon. Is that a lot?
Did you see the poop last time?
Is that enough?
Yeah.
Okay, that much.
Chug, lick.
Alright. This much cinnamon. See how much that is? Not very much, but I can still do it.
Watch her poof. Your mama's breath smells so old. Are you joking?
Oh yeah, I just got dry cinnamon in my throat.
Your throat.
It's all dry.
Your tongue. You look like you eat dog crap. You look like the dog's butt.
Ew, that's so disgusting. Why would you even say that? It's like I can't control my mouth.
Can't get your tongue.
No, cinnamon does.
Cinnamon ball.
Anybody at home watching this, you should seriously try it because it's a lot of fun. You just gotta switch your spit around a lot, and that's how you swallow it. Is it on my teeth?
Yeah. How do you swish it around?
You just put a lot of spit in your mouth and go like this. And don't make that face. And you lick your teeth a lot too.
Like what?
Like a grandpa.
What if your dentures fall out?
Well, only don't do it if you are a grandpa because your dentures will fall out, but if you're a young person, do it. Okay, well that was really fun and everybody should try it. I was kind of looking at that thing your grandma gives people perms with and stuff. It freaks me out. Why does it look like that's like an alien?
Oh my gosh, what's it behind?